This video will provide directions on the installation of end-motion recessed or soft pull recessed towel dispensers using inside mount stainless steel filler panels. Tools needed for this retrofit are a cordless drill, hammer, chisel, punch, measuring tape, pliers, 1/4 or 1/8 drill bits, and Phillips No. 10 pan head self-tapping screws. Open the door. Using a cordless drill and either a 1/4 or 1/8 drill bit, begin to drill out the door hinge spot welds or rivets. Using a hammer and chisel, remove the hinge and door from the cabinet. Remove interior metal guides and brackets. Remove the paper tray. The cabinet is now ready for installation. Locate the 4 outer mounting holes on the filler panel. Invert the panel and slide into place. Mark the 4 outer mounting holes. Drill pilot holes in the sides of the cabinet. Insert the panel into place. Secure the panel to the cabinet. Insert the dispenser into the panel and secure with screws through the dispenser side mounting holes. Insert 4 size D cell batteries following the polarity directions. Load paper product into the dispenser following the directions on the cover. Test and wipe down the dispenser.